because of unbelief they were broken off, and thou standest by faith. Be not high-minded, but fear. Romans 13:7. Render therefore to all their dues. Tribute to whom tribute is due, custom to whose custom, fear to whom fear, honor to whom honor. 2 Corinthians 7:1. Having therefore these promises, dearly beloved, let us cleanse ourselves from all filthiness of the flesh and spirit, perfecting holiness in the fear of the Mighty One. Ephesians 5:21. Submit yourselves one to another in the fear of the Mighty One. Ephesians 6:5. Servants, be obedient to them which are your masters according to the flesh, with fear and trembling, in singleness of your heart, as unto the Messiah. Philippians 2:12. Wherefore, my beloved, as ye have always obeyed, not as in my own presence only, but now much more in my absence, work out your own salvation with fear and trembling. Colossians 3:22. Servants, obey in all things your masters according to the flesh, not with eye service as men pleasers, but in singleness of heart, fearing the Mighty One. Hebrews 4:1. Let us therefore fear, lest the promise being left of us entering into his rest, any of you should seem to come short of it. Hebrews 5:7. Who in the days of his flesh, when he offered up prayers and supplications with strong crying and tears unto him that was able to save him from death, and he was heard, in that he feared. Hebrews 10:31. It is a fearful thing to fall into the hands of the living Mighty One. Hebrews 11:7. By faith, Noah, being warned of the Mighty One of things not yet seen, moved with fear, prepared an ark to the saving of his house, by the which he condemned the world, and became heir of the righteousness which is by faith. Hebrews 12:21. And so terrible was the sight that Moses said, I exceedingly fear and quake. Hebrews 12:28. Wherefore we, receiving a kingdom which cannot be moved, let us have grace, whereby we may serve the Mighty One acceptably with reverence and godly fear. Hebrews 13:6. So that we may boldly say, Yahweh is my helper, and I will not fear what man shall do unto me. 1 Peter 1:17. And if ye call on the Father, who without respect of persons judgeth according to every man's work, pass the time of your sojourning here in fear. 1 Peter 2:17. Honor all men, love the brotherhood, fear the Mighty One, honor the king. 1 Peter 2:18. Servants, be subject to your masters with all fear, not only to the good and the gentle, but also to the froward. 1 Peter 3:15. But sanctify Yahweh your Mighty One in your hearts, and be ready always to give an answer to every man that asks you a reason of the hope that is in you with meekness and fear.